Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to add email address on your Facebook account. The process is really easy. Let's get straight to the point. So first of all, open Facebook on your phone and be sure you're logged into your account. Now this is the homepage of Facebook. On the homepage, you'll have to tap on the hamburger icon, that is the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. It is right besides the bell icon. Then once you reach this page, scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. And here select settings. Here under account you can see the first option, which is personal and account information. Go ahead and tap on it. And now you'll have to tap on contact info where you can manage your phone numbers and email address. Then all you have to do is tap on add email address and then enter your address. So you can add your email address on this box. After you're done, tap on add email address. On this page you can see that the email address is pending. So you'll have to confirm it, so tap on the confirm option. Now you have to check your mailbox for a code sent by Facebook and you'll have to enter the code here. You'll see this kind of mail from Facebook and here you can see the code. Now you'll simply have to enter the code here and tap on confirm. Once you do that, your email address will be confirmed and it will be added to your Facebook account. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you.